This video describes the procedure for developing extensions. This flowchart indicates the overall flow for developing and using RC Plus extensions. This video outlines the required development procedure. With RC Plus extensions, currently 2 types of extensions can be developed. Each type differs in its target functions and development methods. RC Plus Custom goes beyond the standard functionality of Epson RC Plus and enables extensions to meet user-specific needs. The extension functions that can be implemented and the system architecture are as shown. Custom vision objects are customized vision objects that can be installed as extensions to the RC Plus 8.0 Vision Guide System. This allows you to incorporate your own image processing capabilities into the RC Plus 8.0 Vision Guide System. The software products required for development are as shown. Install the extension VSIX into Visual Studio. Open Explorer and then double-click the configuration file to run it. The VSIX installer starts. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the extension. Here, we describe the procedure for creating an RC Plus extensions project. Start Visual Studio. In Visual Studio, select Create a new project. Select the RC Plus Extensions project template. Name it Extension 1. Select the main menu and toolbar item and docking window initial features. Descriptions of features included in initial feature are as shown. The created project can be built as is and debugged while installed in RC Plus. By selecting Debug Start from the menu, the extension is built, and Epson RC Plus starts after the build is completed. EXP is displayed in the title of the main window to indicate the debug status of the extension. This concludes the description of the installation and project creation required before development. The actual development procedure will be provided in a video in a future release. Additionally, API references and sample programs are available on GitHub. For details on program implementation, refer to that. This concludes the procedure for starting extension development.